Hello friends, today we will discuss about the pH of weak acid and weak base. Let us consider a weak acid, acetic acid. Acetic acid dissociates like that is acetate and H plus ion. Now the degree of dissociation must be considered here. Let us consider the concentration of acetic acid is C and its degree of dissociation is alpha. So the concentration of H plus ion is C alpha and the remaining concentration of acetic acid is C into 1 minus alpha. Now what will be the pH of the solution? pH equal to minus log of molar concentration of H plus ion. Now here we must write minus log of H plus is equal to minus log of C alpha. Let us consider that the concentration of acetic acid is 10 to the power minus 3. That is, the value of C is 10 to the power minus 3. And alpha, according to Oswald's dilution law, is equal to root over Ka divided by C. This is from Oswald's dilution law. So we can write minus log root over Ka into C. Let the concentration of acetic acid is 10 to the power minus 3 molar and dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. And concentration of acetic acid is 10 to the power minus 3. So the pH of the solution, if we calculate this, the pH will be 3.87. So if we remember the pH of HCl solution, that is 10 to the power minus 3 molar HCl solution, it is 10 to the power minus 3 molar HCl solution have pH 3, but that of acetic acid is 3.87. That means the pH value of acetic acid is greater than HCl. That means acetic acid is a weak acid. Now we consider the pH of base solution, that is ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide dissociates as NH4 plus and OH minus. Here we must consider the degree of dissociation of ammonium hydroxide. Let the degree of dissociation of ammonium hydroxide be alpha. So like acetic acid, the concentration is C and concentration of OH minus is C alpha. Now the PaOH of the solution, here we must calculate POH because H plus ion is not present. So we first calculate POH, then we can calculate the pH value. Now POH is minus log of OH minus ion. Minus log of OH minus means minus log of C alpha, and The concentration of ammonium hydroxide is C and degree of dissociation is alpha. Therefore, according to Oswald's dilution law, we can write in place of alpha root over Kb by C. Now what is Kb? Kb is dissociation constant of weak base ammonium hydroxide. So the equation becomes minus log of root over Kb into C. Let the concentration of ammonium hydroxide be 10 to the power minus 3 molar and Kb is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. So we can write like that. That is minus log of 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. And the value is 3.87. Now we have to calculate the pH. pH is 14 minus pOH and the pOH value is 3.87. So the pH value is 14 minus 3.87, that is 10.13. So we can compare the pH of 10 to the power minus 3 molar NaOH solution. This is 11, and the pH of ammonium hydroxide is 10.13. That is, the value is less than 11. That means with same concentration of ammonium hydroxide and NaOH, ammonium hydroxide solution is less basic because the electrolyte is weak. That's all. This is all about pH of weak acid and weak base solution. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.